This is the assessment for the the Saturday mock session of word association test done by one of the aspirant Harsha, and we're going to start with the assessment of this. So Harsha, you have to go forward and first of all read all the sentences which you have formulated, which you have created in that VAT, and then we will going to talk about the analysis, the scope of improvement, the points which you need to keep in mind. All right, all set,
Yes,
Harsha?
sir. Yes, sir.
Wonderful. You can go forward and you can start reading.
Yes, sir. Bravery is main quality of a soldier. Hard work can cure up failure. Determination and consistency decides future. Practice makes a huge difference in long. Instructions lead a proper and bright path. Taking failure as a lesson and working brings success. Goal and working hard adds meaning to life. Practical knowledge always helps. Report and analysis makes a man more accurate. Books are the main source of knowledge and literature. I missed one, sir. Patriotic films are always inspiring. Consistency and determination movement made made up independent. Novel are sources of literature. Bravery is nothing of purchasing. It's inbuilt. Cooperation between military and government made India successful. Friendly nature attracts people to our personality. Giving our best gives us best. Interference, I miss that, sir. Playing with children gives us relaxation. Romantic films are always more from Bollywood. Hiding our pain and showing result is always the best answer. Smart work helps instead hard work. Every defense aspirant is Bharat Mata's son. Union and old friends made memories fresh. Assisting someone improves self personality. Good behavior always attracts others. Accept negativity, person needs everything. Excusing someone is the best quality of a person. Admiration gives happiness. Perfection brings more followers. Army life has the best honor. Impartiality truly brings our best personality. Mother deserves highest respect in society. Every patriot is a child of country. Principal takes care of whole school. Punishing makes us realize of our mistakes. Supporting a person increases his confidence. Smart work and hard work achieves above shy. Responsible person opposes exploitation of his country's resources. Slightest contribution to country makes us patriot. Dismissing negative and I'm sorry, sir, I'm not even getting that. Active lifestyle reflects our perfection. Every drop of blood serves country. Desire and hard work bring success. Exercise is an important part of our day. Life is gone where hard work, determination helps. Getting our best brings best. Learning from mistakes improves self. Late realization always hurts. Necessity is the mother of invention. Nothing is impossible to achieve with determination and hard work. Serving nation is greatest pleasure.
Okay, all right, Harsha.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, first of all, if we run through with a quick analysis of this VAT, the very first analysis which I can easily draw about your personality, and we'll understand how we draw it, and then let's look into the measures which you need to do, which I have been giving earlier also in VAT analysis. But again, this is something which you need to keep in mind very, very strongly. Now, the very clear analysis which I can easily draw about your one personality is while doing that, your mind was getting completely scrutinized and you were getting bursting off. How I can see this? I can very easily evaluate this from your thought process which you have reflected, plus what you have penned down, that's your manifestation, that's your action. So penning down, writing is your action. What you are writing as a thought is the manifestation of mind. From these, I can see the pressure was crushing you like anything in that when you were doing it. Was that the case with you? Honestly, tell
Yes.
me. Yes,
Yes, sir.
right. That I can see very easily from this analysis. Now, when I see this thing as an assessor, I will be more skeptical in order to assess you, grill you more strongly to see can you really take the pressure gracefully or not. When I say taking the pressure gracefully, what it really means, it does not mean that you will not feel the pressure. अभी pressure है तो किसी को भी pressure लगेगा ना. ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता कि जी pressure है तो हम कहें जी pressure ही नहीं लग रहा. That's not practical. Accepting and dealing with pressure gracefully means that the pressure is there, but pressure is not driving me. I am driving the pressure. Or in other words, I can say pressure is not squeezing me, it's not scrutinizing my head, it is not bursting me out, but I am able to take it and release it very smartly. That is called as the management of pressure, or we also call this as self management of pressure. So as an assessor, I really want to check this and I would be grilling you on this. Now, second important thing is, if I say about the whole thought process, there is no any big problem in the thought process. Things are lined up in a proper way. But as I said, the problem which I can see is about your pressure taking capability, which indirectly showcases your other non-uniform officer like qualities as well. So for that, I really need to grill you up. Now the point comes is how to cope up with this. Now, very, very important for all of you as a very objective, strict guideline. I gave this guideline in the earlier assessments also, which we have been publishing. But again, I'm saying, please understand when you are doing a mock assessment, why mocks are being organized. The very sole purpose of a mock is to give you a test environment just like the one which you will have in a real time. Now the point is, if we are giving you that kind of real time environment which is not technically real time but giving you a kind of that environment, your responsibility and duty as a non-uniform officer or as a true aspirant is you must attend that mock with due sincerity and diligence. And this due sincerity and diligence shows how attentively, how sincerely you were prepared mentally and in terms of resources before you were sitting for the mock on Saturday. So first of all, a very straightforward guideline to all of you: never use these plain papers for your VAT. Two reasons. Number one, if you have a disastrous handwriting the way you have, it will become super duper disaster. Even if you are a good handwriting person, still that is not advisable. जब हमारे को एक चीज पता है, when we already know that I have to actually put my action in a particular way. I have to put my action in a particular way. What I'm trying to say is, इस बात को बड़े ध्यान से समझना. मान लीजिए, for example, you are on the shooting range and you are being trained for the shooting. You are very pathetic in target. Very pathetic. मतलब टारगेट तो आपसे हमेशा ही लॉस्ट हो जाता है. आपको अगर जीरो से ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, so we will put you into, first of all, simple points approaching the target, or as a training will put you into the super complex zones. Tell me, if you are very bad in targets and if your training is going on, we will put you into an easy zone first of all to understand the target, or we will put you into a complex zone?
easy zone, sir.
Easy zone, sir.
It would be easy zone, ताकि आप प्रेशर को कस्टम कर सके, चीजों को समझ सके, उसको मास्टर कर सके. Similarly, when you know these things, please use a proper paper which has a proper lines. Because when you will going to practice the mock again on the kind of a format which you know technically in one way or the other, you get that in the SSB also, that will help you, first of all, to maintain your action. Your thoughts are being manifested by hands, by penning down. It will maintain that action in a right way, that you know I have to go with the same set of resources. Using these resources I have to write it down. फायदा क्या होगा उससे? The advantage would be, when I'll be doing again and again, automatically, first of all, my handwriting will improve a lot. Number 2, ये जितना भी अनटाइडी, इतनी जो खिचड़ी पकी हुई है आपके वैट में, ये खिचड़ी खत्म हुई. जब ये दो चीजें खत्म होंगी तो माइंड जो है वो अपने आप सॉर्ट होना शुरू हो जाएगा. जब माइंड अपने आप सॉर्ट होना शुरू हो जाएगा तो एज एन असेसर आई विल ऑल्सो नॉट फाइंड सो मच कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी और so much pressure within your mind when I will be assessing your assessment. Right? And why I am saying this, देखो बात छोटी सी है बट इसकी गहराई बहुत ज्यादा है. You know I do not have a good handwriting. You know I am sitting for the mock. If you are a true aspirant as a non-uniform officer, यार ये एक basic understanding है why you are sitting with this white paper. Did anyone gave you the instructions to sit with the white paper?
No, sir.
Now this is called as, what you people are doing in your DLQs, this is called as effective intelligence, common sense. Every task that you are doing, that shows your common sense also. Every task that you are showing shows your common sense also. So when you are doing that, please ensure this. This is very, very important, and this is a universal guideline for all the people. It's not for a specific one person. For all of you, I'm telling you. Even you have a good handwriting, then also stick to that particular thing. That will help you a lot. Right? Rest, the thought process is fine. There is no problem as such, a major problem. And once you start maintaining that pace, slowly and slowly, you will find. देखो क्या होता है ना, what you see, the same kind of image you will going to create in your mind. जब आप एक गंदी सी चीज को देखते हो तो आपके माइंड में क्योस आता नहीं आता, और आप अच्छी चीज को देखते हो तो एक सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस आता नहीं आता.
आता है सर.
आप अपने, जब आप इसको लिख रहे होगे तो आप 7-8 लाइनों को देख करके आदमी डिमोटिवेट हो जाए अपने काम को देख के.
Yes, but
So what you are doing is, you are creating a negative vibe for your own self. No one is creating. You yourself, not using your basic intelligence, is creating a negative vibe for yourself, which will make your mind very chaotic. देखो ये बहुत split second में होता है, आपको समझ नहीं आएगा ये. But the small thing has a very high impact. That is why few small things as a tips, tools, has a very high impulse impact on your performance. So please stick on to it. Right? And
Yes.
Secondly, जितना आप अपने आप को daily life OLQ, DLQ blueprint पे tuned up करेंगे, these things will also come into your pace. The words which you are missing. We miss words only because of 3 things. Number 1, short of ideas, mind is going blank. If you are embracing that non-uniform officer, the daily life OLQ blueprint, automatically this will not be a problem. Second problem comes when we are not able to cope up with the pressure. Mind mein thought to tha, but because the pressure was so high, at that time I went blank. And third, when I was writing, उस समय thought भी मेरे mind में था, but because my speed was not fast, I actually got demotivated, or I left the confidence and I felt कि यार छोड़ देता हूं, नहीं हो पाएगा. These could be the 3 reasons only for missing a word. So each reason has a very logical reason and has to dealt very smartly. There is no skill for it, but there is a process. You follow the process, things will be sorted. Is that clear? So very strong. Next time, any mock assessment you give, not just the VAT, do it with sincerity. When I say sincerity, what it means? Sincerity does not mean, sir, मैंने time पे login कर लिया था, मैं बैठा था. No, sincerity means follow the guidelines, apply your common sense, few things which I have not been asked to you. ये तो वही वाली बात हो गई, किसी को बोला था कि भाई तुझे कल जंग पे जाना है, और आप आए, आप अपनी आर्म्स तो लेके आए ही नहीं, बंदूक तो लाई नहीं, आपने कहा जी बोला ही नहीं था। अबे तो करने क्या आए, खेलने के लिए आए? This is your common sense, right? And keep working strongly on the DLQ. This will get fine. Otherwise, it is okay. Once you will work on this, automatically this will get on the right synergy, and otherwise the thought process is going right. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Clear?
No, sir.
Super
Yes,
clear.
sir.
All right, wonderful. Any questions to anyone else?
No, sir.
Great. So this is clear now. Okay, this completes the analysis of this VAT, Harsha. All right.